Well, his buddy's knocked. His buddy's dead, so... The back. Dead. Need to get some 5.56. I hope this guy had some. I'm not sure. The other guy died right over there. This guy here. I hope I didn't fuck up the truck too bad.
It is, but it's manageable.
Oh, dude, it's got a quarter health left. His partner that got into the driver's seat ended up fucking taking the shots for him. No, we're I was fucking pegging the driver, and then his buddy got in and he fucking took the rest of the shots, knocked him. What did you hit? Yes, you did. You hit a rock. Holy! I think you hit a rock, dude. I'm hitting the replay now.
Where's the fucking rock?
I'm hitting the replay. I thought it was a rock. Let me find out. Yeah, you hit you hit the fucking divot. You crashed it into the divot. So you're like, you know where the two hills like make a V? You're going down too fast to have the nose of the truck come back up. That happened in real life though. Let me shadow play that. This is my Uber driver. No stars.